Saksakallan gunarnavasya Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
Shukdev Goswami said to Maharaj Parikshit, the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Hari, after being seen in his transcendental form, instructing Brahmaji, the leader of the living entities, disappeared. In this verse it is clearly mentioned that the Lord is Ajna, or the Supreme Person, and that he was showing his transcendental form to Brahmaji while instructing him in the summarization of Srimad Bhagwatam in 4 verses. He is Ajna, or the Supreme Person, amongst Jananam, or all persons. All living entities are individual persons, and amongst all such persons Lord Hari is supreme, as confirmed in the Shruti mantra, Nityo Nityanam Setanash Setananam. So there is no place for impersonal features in the transcendental world as there are impersonal features in the material world. Whenever there is setana or knowledge, the personal feature comes in. In the spiritual world, everything is full of knowledge, and therefore everything in the transcendental world, the land, the water, the tree, the mountain, the river, the man, the animal, the bird, everything is of the same quality, namely Satana, and therefore everything there is individual and personal. Srimad Bhagavatam gives us this information as the supreme Vedic literature, and it was personally instructed by the Supreme Personality of Godhead to Brahmaji, so that the leader of the living entities might broadcast the message to all in the universe in order to teach the supreme knowledge of Bhakti Yoga. Brahmaji in his turn instructed Narad, his beloved son, the same message of Srimad Bhagavatam, and Narad in his turn taught the same to Vyasdev, who again taught it to Shukdev Goswami. Through Shukdev Goswami's grace and by the mercy of Maharaj Parikshit, we are all given Srimad Bhagavatam perpetually to learn the science of the absolute personality of Godhead, Lord Krishna.